And yet, he wants to do away with Article 42.
Well,
What are you trying to do? I tell him, what are you trying to do?
Schumer don't want to bring this to the floor for a vote.
Does not?
No. Because he don't believe that he'll get the votes.
The Senate floor.
Yep.
I mean, who in their right mind will vote for this thing, really?
There's a lot of Democrats that are wavering on the issue.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. Look at the ones that are leaving the party, going independent. I saw an interview with a Democratic mayor in Texas. He said the Democratic Party is going to turn me Republican.
Oh. I mean, a guy like
Scarlet and Violet has taken
what we're doing.
the Pokedex's level to a
Yeah.
high new grade. They've taken the Kanto region Pokemon to a new upgrade. At first, the first ever Pokemon from the Kanto region is named Tentacruel. But now, in this stage, his new name is Toedscruel. He has the ability to march on land rather than go into sea. That is how you draw Toedscruel.
How does a liberal senator, how does he explain this?
They don't.
These guys don't talk behind the scenes. What are you trying to do here?
He looks great.